For any of you who don't know, a deep box can be, depending on how full they are, 70 to 90 pounds.
And this old girl can't do it. And move.
I'm honestly thinking of trying to do just a single deep and use some mediums as the brood chamber on some of them, just so they don't have to move as many deep boxes. Some days you come out and go through all the bees. Right now we have 33 hives here. After you move 33 boxes, even if you just move one deep each, plus all the mediums, you can feel it in your back by the end of the day.
I'm just seeing capped brood. They got some beautiful wax though.
Yes, they do. All nectar on that one?
All nectar.
So something in the last week, well, I would say in the last week, but